Question number 6, part A, asks about the order of rotational symmetry of shapes. Rotational symmetry is how many times a shape will fit on top of itself when you spin it round 360 degrees. So you ask for a piece of tracing paper, you trace your shape, you turn your tracing paper a full turn, and you see how many times you get the same shape. So with the triangle, there's one, there's a second, there's a third, and we're back to the start. So the order of rotational symmetry is 3. Next shape, do exactly the same thing. Turn it around. With this particular one, we don't get the same shape again until we get halfway around. So there's one, and there's a second. Question 6, part B. The order of rotational symmetry of a regular octagon is 8. A regular octagon is one where the sides and the angles are all the same. And when you have a shape where all the sides are the same length and all the angles are the same, the order of rotational symmetry is the same as the number of sides. This is a six-sided shape. Rotational symmetry is not order 6 because all of the sides are not the same. Part C, shade 2 more squares so that this shape has 2 lines of reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry means if you fold the shape, it's going to fit on top of itself perfectly. So for example, when you fold this shape down that line there, that square will fit perfectly on top of that square. So we need to shade in one here, because that square will now go on top of that one, and we need to shade in one here, because that square will go on top of that one. And once you've shaded in those, there is your second line of symmetry, because this will fit on top of this will fit on top of this half will fit on top of this half, and so on.